Welcome back. This is Raj Singh and today I will tell you what is land uses and the property resources and many topics in that video. In that video we have to be for only read about the land use. This was the topic of that video. In the previous video we can talk about the land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. This was there was the Mamba and picture. We can read the story of that people. There was two children. One of Mamba's and Peter's Mamba's family can live in the Tanzania in Africa, and the Peter's family live in the New Zealand. There was their climatic and natural vegetations, wildlife resources were changed to Mamba's life, Mamba's South Africa's climate. On that video, and land, which we also have to be read on that previous video. On that video we have to be using land uses. So let's start. What is land use? Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, buildings, houses, roads, and setting upon industries. This is a commonly termed as land use. All people are very well to know that land is used for many purposes. Land can be used for agriculture, mining, living, making the set up buildings, forestry, housing, roads, and setting up of industries. In the land is a place where we can survive easily to be survived. The land uses many. Now can you list out different ways in which Mamba's and Peter's family are used there? इसमें क्या बताता है डिफरेंट वेज इन विच हम लिस्ट बनाना है हमको डिफरेंट वेज अनेक तरीकों जैसे कि माम्बाज और पीटर फैमिली में होता है. पहली बात जैसे माम्बाज फैमिली है वह जो वहाँ हॉटर एरिया में रहते थे और ये कोल्डर एरिया. देयर वाज क्लाइमेटिक चेंज एंड they were dependent on agriculture. Also both they are agriculture dependent. The use of the land is determined by physical factors as topography, soil, climate and minerals and the availability of water. Use of land का प्रयोग, जमीन का प्रयोग और हम उस पे फिजिकल जिससे कि उसके फिजिकल कैरेक्टर्स के बारे फैक्टर्स के कारण ही वहाँ हम देखते हैं कहीं जहाँ की ज़मीन अच्छा हो वहाँ लोग ज़्यादा भी होते हैं. इससे कि जिस टोपोग्राफी, सॉइल, क्लाइमेट जिस जगह का लैंड का अच्छा होता है वहीं पे हम रहना पसंद करते हैं. ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स सच एज पॉपुलेशंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी आर आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट डिटरमिनेंट्स ऑफ लैंड यूज बेटर. ह्यूमन फैक्टर और पॉपुलेशंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट. यह भी एक महत्वपूर्ण कारण है डिटरमिनेंट्स ऑफ लैंड यूज पैटर्न. Land can be also classified on basis of the ownership as private. Lands classify किया जाता है ownership and private. This is the various community land. Ownership, the people who have own land, the land of they called the private land. And the land which was every person can still live and can go. The land is the community lands. For example, as you can see, the playgrounds in the cities were made by the government. Community land, this is common, and common property resources. Now we have to be discussing on the next paragraph. People and their demands are ever grown, but the availability of land is limited. People की डिमांड्स ज़मीन के प्रति बढ़ती गई और ज़मीन कम होते गए, लोग बढ़ते गए. The quality of land also different from place to place. The place to place, the quality of land is also indifferent. People started encroaching the common land to build a commercial. Common land को commercial यूज में करते थे. Urban areas is to spend it at the agricultural and the rural areas. To the cultural changes in our society. और कल्चर चेंज सोसाइटी में चेंज होगा. लैंड डिफिग्रेशंस, लैंडस्लाइड, सॉइल इरोजन ये भी कारण है. सॉइल के, डिफोरेस्टेशंस के, the 3 to environment because the expansion of agriculture and construction activities. Now we can see about the prevalent figure. पहले इस तरह था, गांव थे, गांव से किस तरह बदलता गया और फिर शहर से फिर एकदम किस तरह बना, ये इस चित्र में बताया गया है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द RS. In the next video we have to be talk about the conservation of land resources. Thank you.